What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to test ping and latency on your Windows 11 and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is about if you're having the trouble with this particular issue, then this video is going to help you guys out, because the ping and latency should be moderate. If it is too high, you're gonna have the issue. If it is too low, you're gonna face the issue as well. So the first one, we just need to go over here, search for the CMD and make sure you run it as an administrator and go for yes. And this time I'm going to type ping, then I'm going to put a space, then I'm going to type google.com, because I'm going to use google.com as a benchmark in order to check it instead of IP address. And I'm going to put a space dash, then I'm going to type T, then I'm going to press enter, so that as you can see, this is going to crossly checking the pings of my google.com. And right now, as you can see over here in the time, it is 19 millisecond, 23 millisecond, 20 millisecond, 22 and vice versa, which means it is fine. Because if your ping is between, for example, if it is 25 and it's been reduced to, for example, what I have to say, to 15, then make sure one thing, that you're going to have a lot of trouble like whenever you're trying to play the game, because I used to play a lot of games on my Steam, so I'm going to have an issue with ping and I'm going to have lag and as well. So right now, as you can see, it has been between the moderate rate over here. So in the meantime, apart from this, you can also check your ping with the Google Chrome over here. So just go over here on the Google Chrome, and right now what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for check my ping. You can just search here for check my ping like this and press enter. That's going to take you to this, and you can get into one site called bandwidth place and just go over here, and you have to scroll down over here. You can just click on the ping over here so that it will be checked. Just click on the ping and it will be checked over whether you are going through any kind of issues with all these things, whether what is your issue with the downloading speed, uploading speed, and what is your testing speed. That means ping and everything will be completely checked. So there is one thing that I wanted to give you, that is all about, if you scroll down, you can see what is a good ping. So if your ping is around under 20 millisecond, which means it's an excellent and the ping, so that you will not be having any issue with any online gaming and all those things. But if the ping is around between 20 and 50, which means it is fine with it, but I'm not recommending. But if it is 15 and 100, that means it is having an outage in the connection. So it's usually fine for most activities like including the casual gaming, but you may start notice some delay and more sensitive talks like competitive gaming. But if the ping is around 100 and 150 ms, which means for online gaming, will be face a noticeable lag, so that you have to fix it. So over here, as you can see, my ping is between 31 milliseconds, so that if it is between 20 and 15, it is fine with it. If it is under 20, it is very good. And if I check over here with the CMD, as you can see, it says it is between 20 and over here, between 20 and 15. So whatever it is, this is how we can check it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.